NYC 3D Printing. We do prints and we build printers. Check us out on Google. Contact us if you need to. NYC 3D Printing. Also, just to make sure that all the axes are plugged into the correct socket, I'm also going to do a home test to see if all the axes go home. Okay, so as you can see, I removed the cover, the ender cover, because it's time for bed leveling. Without a good bed level, you won't have a good print. So first, what we need to do is level this bed in order to get a good print. Let me go ahead and level it up, and then we'll move on to the next step. After bed leveling, I would suggest doing the spool holder with your favorite kind of filament and insert it right into the feeder, as they will call it, all the way through, all the way down. Just feed it right through. By squeezing this, feed the filament right through it. Squeeze this. Alright, so now I'm finally set up where I'm able to do the first test print that actually came with the USB. I took this mini USB, inserted it right in there. I have an extension cord, so I don't have to go all the way down all the time. So there's a USB that comes with this printer. On that USB there's a G code ready to go to test print. The nozzle's heating up to 200 and the bed's heating up to 50. Filament ready to go. My nozzle. Let's see what this printer can do as far as first print. This is NYC 3D Printing. We just built this printer within a few hours. And this is what we have here, ready to go. Alright, so the printers are getting ready to take off. It's almost at 200, it's at 197. Eight, 9, 200.